Hello, good day everyone. I'm going to just do one modeling case from your assignment. This was requested by one of your friends. Yeah, model 8 was the one which was requested to be discussed together. So as you can see here, this is a tin plate. It's a tin plate. Maybe it can be used as a washer, washer, or yeah, it's some part of any machinery or any part. So this is maybe it's metallic. It can be metallic or plastic, whatever. So here this is a tin plate with a thickness 0.125. So you can see this is a thickness, and this one is a front view, like you can see the profiles. Okay, so what we are going to do here is we are going to do model the 3D solid model of this part. Yeah, before you do the modeling, you really need to understand the different geometries, as you can see, the different features, as you can see. So what we are going to do is now we have a thickness. We need to make a thickness of this circular plate. After that, on the surface, we need to create this profile, one of the profile, of course, this profile. Then after we create this profile, we need to pattern it, a circular pattern or circular array. We need to create that one. So let's start on, so as you can see here, this is my CATIA window. So just I go to start, you can see mechanical design, part design here. So just let me just name it, it's a plate. Let me call it just a plate. So here, this is a window, the modeling window of the CATIA. So in order to start on, as you know, with CATIA modeling, solid modeling is sketch-based modeling technique. So you have the XY plane. I select the XY plane and I move on to the sketch workbench. So this is a sketch workbench. I have to do the sketching. So the first thing is a circular part. As you can see, I just click the circle. Yeah, this is, I just set up this in inch. Actually, you need to set up in inch. The dimensions are in inch. So what is the diameter here? So the diameter of this circular part, this plate, is basically 3.381. Yeah, so you just measure, is it the diameter, or yeah, it's radius, 3.381. So here it should be 3.381. So we have this external diameter. So we just make a thickness, like we just do the part. So what is the thickness? It's 0.125. So we go here, we just exit the sketch workbench. So we just pad, as you can see here, just a pad. And then we give here 0.125. This is a plate, okay? This is a plate we have to make first. So on this top surface, yeah, on this top surface, we have to create the profile. On this surface, we need to create one of the profile here. See, as you can see here. So what we can see here is that we have this pattern. If you see this pattern, you know, this curve and this curve, they don't have the same center, because I guess the two curves here do have the same center somewhere, right? They do have the same center somewhere, but different radius. So for example, this part, the radius is 2.014, and the upper part is 1.679. 1.679. Okay, anyway, just let's just create. Before that, what you have to do is, I think you need to create this center one. So with 0.647, we need to create a circle here, this circle, the external one. So based on that, within that range, we need to create this profile. Okay. So 0.647. So we just go to circle here, just a center. We just measure, as you can see here. How much is it? 0.647, I guess. 647 here. Again, we need to create this one, which is actually here it is 3.102. So it's going to be 3.102, right? Yeah, you can see here. So you just you can see the two circles here. So what we do is we just create the profiles, this profile. So yeah, we need to create this profile first. So how much is the radius here? So this one is, as you can see, let's create this first. Let's create this first. It's going to be 1.679. So just a curve. Maybe we can create yeah, just a curve. Yeah, okay, yeah, no. So we just we can make 3 points. Yeah, you can use 3 point, or you can use a curve, of course. So you just make a center around, or you can create somewhere. Yeah, I think we can adjust this one, so we can, radius should be maybe, how much is it? Let's create one of the curves. Just so I am assuming this one. So how much is it? So I can see 1.679. 679. 79, yeah, 679. Because it's as you can see from here, in order to do this, just you can deduct, like this is, if this one is a case, okay, and then yeah, okay. So what you do is, if we draw this one, okay, so this one would be definitely is 2.014. This one is 2.014. So yeah, so yeah, these two curves, they do have the same center. So here what we can see is, this one is this, and this one is 2.014. so you can either deduct here, so you can offset it, or you can draw 2.014. So from this center you can draw, from this center you can draw, how much is it? Oh. Okay, so with this center, yeah, give center, this one curve, so you just measure it. Definitely it's going to be 2.014. Yeah, this is a curve, you can see. So you can create this curve. Here, yeah, after you create these two curves, so what you do is you may create another this one, another this. So the angle between these two is basically 60 degree. Pattern is 60 degree because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the angle will be 60 degree. 60 degree. You need to array it. So as you can see here, what you can do is we go to, you see this one, this is translate or rotational translation. This one is just linear translation. This one is rotational translation. So we are going to rotate. So what it says is after I click rotation definition, it says part of body presented. I think I need to choose the parts, of course. So click here, control click here, the two, and I have to go to rotation. So what it says is on the right side is you can see the center of rotation. You see, this is the center of rotation, as you can see, and you can give a reference. You can give either this reference or this reference. So yeah, you can give this reference. So you can see you can give 60 degree here. If you click 60 degree, yeah, 60 degree, yeah, this is a 60 degree. Yes, we just make a 60 degree. So what we are going to do is basically we got this profile, right? We got this profile. We're going to do this profile, of course. So what we do is maybe you just this one is this, and this one is this. Yeah. So you just delete this, and okay, yeah, just delete this. Yeah. So we just create this profile. So let's follow the dimension. So there is a fillet here. What is a fillet here? As you can see here, fillet, yeah, this is 0.125 radius. This one, just fillet it. Just simple. Just go to fillet. Just maybe you can choose this, control this, select, then you fillet. You can create the fillet here. You see. So you just double click here. So 0.125, right? So you can see here we create the fillet. The other one is the bottom one, as you can see. As the bottom one, this is 0.25. I think I guess this one is also same. This one is also same. 0.125. So you can just again this control this. So what you can see is just flat here. Yeah, just flat here, as you can see here, 0.125. Okay. And the others, this you select this, control this. So you just click here. You see, you just create this profile. This one is 0.125. All right, so you create the profile. Okay, you just create this profile. So what you can do is you just move here, zoom it, as you can see. Maybe you just cut this one. Maybe this one is not connected. You need to connect it, I think. So what you do is you can extend it, this one, you can extend it. So this line should be extended until here, right? So you can see this is the profile. We already make the profile, right? So this is one of the profile. As you can see, I create this profile. So what I do is I just make this is a extrude. I mean the cut. This one. I create this one. What is in CATIA is if you just go out from here, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is I use the extrude cut or pocket. pocket. In SolidWorks is extrude cuts, this one is in pocketing. So I just click here. So you can see here the pocket is already made. That's it's 0.5 the thickness of this. So you just say okay, right? So I created already this one, right? This is a profile here. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to do just array to make it how much 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah, I have to make 6. So I'm going to use from the transformation features. I use this circular array, as you can see, circular pattern. This is a circular pattern. So I'm going to do the angular spacing, yeah, 60. So it's going to be 6, right? So the angle between should be 60, right? So what about the center? So the profile is along this along the curve, along this curve, right, along this line. So you can see here you got your parts here. So we already make the plates with these thicknesses. What else is that? The remaining is you need to do this hole, the small hole is 0.25. How much deep is it? 0.07 deep. Right, let me make again. So on this surface I go to sketching again, and then I have to make circle here. I don't know how much is it, how far is it from the center. So this is in the center here. I think P circle diameter PL probably is 0.3, yeah. I mean 3.0 along the 3.0 is it. So I draw a circle on this one. So I'm going to measure it. So it's going to be 3 as per the design. Yep. Oh, it's not. I think, yeah, it's not. What is the location of this? I think it's in the middle of these curves. 30, or this one is 30. I think the circle diameter, yeah, definitely is in between. Definitely is in between. So what we do is we have to 3.381. So we can edit it, okay? We can edit it. So here is a circle, so we need to measure. So okay, 3 point, what is that? 3.381. I'm sorry, 102. Yeah, let's yeah, I cannot do that. This one maybe, yeah, 3.381, 3.381 minus 3.102, is that 0.102, 3.102 equal this divided or 0.1395, 0.1395, 0.31, Okay. Oh yeah, let's cancel this one. I think, yeah. Yeah, we can use yeah, this one. We can extend, yeah, with that point click the location of new element. Yeah, yeah, let me just, yeah, yeah, I think, yeah, this is just sorry, so I just what I'm going to do is 0.1395 0.1395 so 3.381 yeah, yeah, we can make this one. All right. All right, so yeah, yep. Okay, so on this point you just throw here, just measure it. Okay, so this 0.125, I think. Yep, 0.125 is it? What's the diameter of the small? 0.125. Is it like what is this? 0.125. Okay, 0.125. It is. Oh, diameter. Okay, diameter. This one is diameter. Diameter 125. All right. Yeah. Okay, so on here you just I think, yeah, you need to delete this one. So you go out sketch here, so you just pocket here. It's a pocket it down. What is the depth? You can see here the depth is 0.07. 0.07. The depth is 0.07. Yeah. All right, so we have here. So for this one, or this part here, just array again. So how much is it? So as you can see, maybe I'm not sure how much is it. So we have to count. We have to count. I think you can count it. Yeah. 30. Okay, we have 30. We have 30. So here angular spacing instead of the total angular spacing instances and angular spacing instances and angular spacing instances unequal. Oh, angular spacing instance total angle. Yeah, instance and total angle. So instance is 30, total angle is 360 along 360. So we need to select the axis. So along the axis some reference. We need to give reference along this, okay, along this surface. So you can see here several instances occurring in the same location. Why? Oh, okay. Why same location? I don't think so. All right, so I think that's a pattern. No problem. Yeah, the same thing. You can continue on working with this. I think it's very easy. So we have 3 holes here. Yeah, that's all. I think. Yeah, that's all. Thank you very much. So you can work on this center. I think maybe if I have to finish it. So the center is 0.188 that we have at the center. So on this surface again, I have to go to sketch. So I think, yeah, I have to do the circle here. So how much is it? Diameter is 0.188. We have 0.188, 0.1. So I think it's a hole throughout. Yeah, it's a drill through. I think this one is through hole. I think. Yeah, it's a through hole, most probably. So I just out here. Same thing, pocketing, so I can take up to the next, right? So it's throughout hole, I assume that. Okay, I may have 3 holes as well. There's 3 holes, so I go to sketch here. I just do here, what is a p-circle diameter along what? Yeah, this hole is we have drill is 0.09 through along what circle is it? What is the location of these 3 holes is okay, this drill 0.9 is through 3. Yeah, it should need to be given the exact location. I'm not sure. Like, just if it's not given, I just check it. So yeah, I guess it's around here. Okay, so let me just draw here one of the curves. Okay, so what is the diameter here? 0.09 through hole, 0.098 diameter. So 0.098. 0.098. So yeah, so in order to maybe this one, yes, you can change it to construction line template. So it's going to be construction line, right? So I just exit or throughout is throughout the pocket is throughout, as you can see, just throughout to the next. Yeah, so for this one you really need to array again. So we have 3 pieces. So angular spacing in instances places 3. So angular spacing is 120, I think. So the axis, we really need to know. This can be the rotation. This can be the holes. Okay. Yeah, this all. Yeah, we have a very nice plate we made. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.